Hi friends, welcome back to Nurse Queries. Today let's discuss the multiple choice questions from musculoskeletal system. First one, how many types of muscles are there in human body? Option A, 3 types. Option B, 4 types. Option C, 16 types. Answer, option A, 3 types. There are 3 types of muscles which is present in human body. They are skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle and smooth muscles. Second one, what are the 3 types of muscle found in human body? Option A, cardiac, smooth and skeletal muscle. Option B, striated, involuntary and cardiac muscles. Option C, smooth, abdominal and cardiac muscles. Answer, option A, cardiac, smooth and skeletal muscles are the 3 types of muscle which present in the human body. Third one, which is the weakest muscle in the human body? Option A, stapedius muscle. Option B, cardiac muscle. Option C, masters. Answer, option A, stapedius muscle. Stapedius is the smallest skeletal muscle which is present in the human body and it's about 1 millimeter in length. And its purpose is to stabilize the smallest bone in the body, that is stapes. Fourth one, the process of development of muscle during the embryonic development is known as option A, myogenesis. Option B, tendon formation. Option C, perimysia. Answer, option A, myogenesis. Myogenesis is the process of development of muscle during the embryonic development. Fifth one, the conditions which is characterized by an increased sensitivity to certain frequencies and volume range of sound is known as option A, hyperosis. Option B, hypoacusis. Option C, tinnitus. Answer, option A, hyperacusis. Hyperacusis is a condition which is highly debilitating and a rare hearing disorder, and it is characterized by an increased sensitivity to certain frequencies and a volume range of sound. And a person with severe hyperacusis has difficulty in tolerating everyday sounds and become. Sixth one, skeletal muscle tissue composed of long cells called option A, muscle fibers. Option B, striated. Option C, motor neuron. Answer, option A, muscle fibers. Skeletal muscle tissue is composed of long cells called muscle fibers and that have a striated appearance. The muscle fibers are organized into a bundle supplied by blood vessels and are innervated by the motor neurons. Seventh one, coracoid process is on option A, humerus. Option B, scapula. Option C, femur. Answer B, scapula. Coracoid process is on scapula. Eighth one, external occipital protuberance is also called option A, inion. Option B, dens. Option C, acromion. Answer, option A, inion. Each human skull has a natural bump on back of head and this bump is called inion. Ninth one, dash switcher separates the large unpaired frontal bone from the two parietal bones. Option A, coronal. Option B, sagittal. Option C, lambdoid. Answer, option A, coronal. Coronal switches helps to separate the large unpaired frontal bone from the two parietal bones. 10th one, the occipital bone is dash shaped bone. Option A, trapezoidal. Option B, flat. Option C, spherical. Answer, option A, trapezoidal. 11th one, at the base of the skull in the occipital bone there is a large oval opening called the dash. Option A, foramen magnum. Option B, foramen ovale. Option C, cerebri. Answer, option A, foramen magnum. Foramen magnum is a large oval foramen longest front to back and it is wider behind than in front where it is encroached upon by the occipital condylate. 12th one, the foramen magnum which is present in the occipital bone allows the passage of dash. Option A, spinal cord. Option B, cranial bone. Option C, passage of CSF. Answer, option A, spinal cord. Foramen magnum, which is present in the occipital bone, allows the passage of spinal cord. 13th one, dash divides the deeply concave internal surface of the occipital bone into the four fossae. Option A, cruciform eminence. Option B, cerebral eminence. Option C, cerebellar fossae. Answer, option A, cruciform eminence. 14th one, dash suture joins the occipital bone and mastoid portion of the temporal bone. Option A, occipitomastoid suture. Option B, spinobasilar suture. Option B, petrous basilar suture. Answer, option A, occipitomastoid suture. Occipitomastoid suture join the occipital bone and mastoid portion of the temporal bone. And spinobasilar suture joins the basilar part of the occipital bone and the back of the sphenoid bone of the body. And the petrous basilar suture joins the side edge of the basilar part of the occipital bone to the petrous part of the temporal bone. 15th one, trauma to the occiput can cause a fracture of the base of the skull is called as option A, basilar skull fracture. Option B, sinciput fracture. Option C, skull fracture. Answer, option A, basilar skull fracture. 16th one, what does axial skeleton consist of? Option A, skull. Option B, vertebral column. Option C, ribs and sternum. Option D, all the above. Answer, all the above. Axial skeleton consists of skull, vertebral column, ribs and sternum. 17th one, name the longest and heaviest bone of the body. Option A, femur. Option B, fibula. Option C, ilium. Answer, option A, femur. 18th one, name the only movable bone in the skull of man. Option A, ethmoid bone. Option B, mandible bone. Option C, nasal bone. Answer, option B, mandible bone. 19th one, name the thinnest bone of the human body. Option A, fibula. Option B, stapes. Option C, malleus. Answer, option A, fibula. 20th one, name the muscle that act in opposition to each other. Option A, cardiac muscle. Option B, smooth muscle. Option C, antagonist muscle. Answer, option C, antagonist muscle. Antagonist muscle, whereas one muscle contracts, the other muscle relaxes or lengthens. The muscle that is contracting is called agonist, and the muscle that is relaxing or lengthening is called antagonist. So, these antagonist muscles are the muscles that act in opposition to each other. 21. Due to the presence of which pigment, skeletal muscles are categorized into red and white muscles? Option A, myoglobin. Option B, globin. Option C, none of the above. Answer, option A, myoglobin. 22nd, finger bones are also known as option A, hamate bone. Option B, phalanges. Option C, metacarpal. Answer, option B, phalanges. 23. Hamate is a dash-shaped carpal bone. Option A, wedge. Option B, cone. Option C, flat. Answer, option A, wedge. Hamate is a wedge-shaped carpal bone. 24. Dash is an iron and oxygen binding protein found in the skeletal muscle tissue of the vertebrates. Option A, myoglobin. Option B, globin. Option C, oxygen binding protein. Answer, option A, myoglobin. Myoglobin is an iron and an oxygen binding protein found in skeletal muscle tissue of the vertebrate.
Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get further notification.